It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Veterans Day, Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather with a warming trend will be the story for our weather for the next several days. Temperatures returning to above average levels by late in the weekend and early next week. Let's talk about it. First, yesterday, 67 degrees, an absolutely beautiful day. That was our high temperature, the morning low 45, the normal high 78, the normal low 55. Outside now here at 5:45 a.m., clear sky out there. We're starting out at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 24, relative humidity 42%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, it's chilly out there. 31 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 32 at Goldfield, 38 Buckeye, 39 Tempe, Chandler, and South Mountain. Most spots elsewhere are in the 40s. The upper air look across the country. We've got Eta just off the Florida coast. Elsewhere, that big trough that brought in all the cooler weather the last few days, it is now way out of here, and we are left with a zonal flow in its place, so that means dry conditions for us. Here's the watch warning map, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings up across parts of Idaho and Montana, flood watches over sections of the Carolinas and Florida, and tropical storm warnings across Florida as well with Eta. The convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the country. And the tropics, we've got Eta, Theta, and a system over the Caribbean which might become Iota. Let's break this down. First of all, we'll look at Eta. Here's the satellite this morning. This has become better organized over the last 24 hours or so. And now top winds are back up to 70 miles per hour. And this, very briefly, according to the National Hurricane Center, could become a minimal hurricane today. Again, blink of an eye kind of scenario because dry air, shear, and cooler waters here over the Gulf will weaken it once more as it approaches the coast of Florida. And tropical storm warnings are up from Sarasota up to Tampa Bay and up the Nature Coast. And this system will cross over the Florida Peninsula out into the Atlantic and should dissipate thereafter. A pretty good model agreement on that off the GFS ensemble. Out in the eastern Atlantic, we've got Theta, and this is a tropical storm, but should be weakening and probably not a threat to anybody as it approaches Portugal. Over the next few days, this should dissipate. Then in the Caribbean, we've got Invest 98L. This is our latest tropical wave, and this could become Iota over the next few days. Where this goes, well, the models that are picking up on it, at least the tropical set here, some of them bring it into Central America, some have it moving toward the Yucatan, others turn it up toward Cuba and the Bahamas. So we'll keep an eye on where this is headed. And closer to home, precipitation for the next 7 days around here. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide. A very dry weather pattern is shaping up for us, and we'll detail that now as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We've got troughing north of the state, heights still just a little bit below average here across the southwest. So down at the surface today, mostly sunny sky and a bit warmer, highs upper 60s and low 70s. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows, again, upper 30s in the colder pockets, mid 40s, maybe upper 40s for us here in the mid-city. And then tomorrow, more of the same, mostly sunny sky, a few degrees warmer, highs mid-70s. Now on Friday, we are still watching a weak disturbance that will come through the greater southwest, and some of the previous model runs had suggested more clouds and even a few passing showers in northern Arizona. They have since backed off on that. Still think there might be a few high clouds with this, but no real fanfare. Might knock temperatures down a degree or two at best. Highs still in the low 70s here on Friday with just a few clouds. Saturday, that moves out of here and high pressure starts to build back in. Highs get in the mid 70s for Saturday, upper 70s to near 80 on Sunday, and could be in the low to mid 80s on Monday. Some guidance even pushing us toward the upper 80s. Tuesday, we've got troughing moving into the west here, and that's going to stay well north of Arizona, but knock down the ridge, bring the heights down just a little bit, so high temperatures should fall off a few degrees at least. And then a week from today, this is Wednesday the 18th, troughing to the north and west of us, a west-southwest flow in here, so that looks dry. And looking out 10 days, this is Friday the 20th, and that still looks dry with a west-southwest flow, no real changes, high temperatures fairly close to or maybe just a couple of ticks above average. Looking at precipitation off the European ensemble, not much to be had. The control member actually brings in some rain right around Thanksgiving, but other than that, looks dry for quite a while. And temperatures off the national blend of models. It's got us at 71 today and 74 tomorrow, gradually warming us up. And yet we're back in the 80s for next week, and that looks to hold for a while. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a phenomenal Wednesday.